guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Monster Hunter Rise gamepad or controller not working problem. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update your controller drivers. For that, make sure you first connect your PC and controller. After that, you have to go to the search option. From here you have to search for device manager. Open here, you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, you have to launch the game and check if controller is working. If not, you should verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. After that, launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller and here you have to select enable Steam input and after that launch the game and check if controller is working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable Steam input and then check if controller is working now. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. Here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices and then click on three dot icon to remove the device. Click on remove device. Once you have done this, after that restart your PC and again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, click on everything else and after that, once you add your device to here, now check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update Windows. So make sure Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. So here you have to click on check for updates option. Wait for some time, it will check if any update is available and after updating your Windows to the latest version, now launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to enter big picture mode. So after going to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here you can see in the above section enter big picture mode. You have to click on it and after you enter big picture mode, you have to play the game and again and after that exit from big picture mode and then check if gamepad or controller is working or not. So these are few solutions suggested to fix Monster Hunter Rise gamepad or controller not working problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.